Okay, I've arrived. Well, actually, I arrived yesterday. Today is actually day two. We got here pretty late last night, so it was after dark, getting set up and everything. And then this morning's just been busy. Up, breakfast, fishing, just visiting. I'm here with the youth group, and so that's kind of my priority. Number one is being involved with them. Well, I should take that back. Priority number one is I've got my son with me, along with this youth group trip that I'm one of the leaders for. So priority number one is spending time with him. Priority number two is the youth group. Priority number three is me and this video. So you're probably just going to get a lot of time lapses and scenic views, maybe some drone shots, stuff like that. But it's a beautiful, beautiful area. I'm in here right now because I was just getting my camera equipment all set up, and we had just got rained on. That's clearing off right now, and so we kind of headed for shelter for a little bit to get out of that weather. But I'm going to head out here in just a minute because it's clearing off, it's blowing over, and it is just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setting that we're in right here. So I think you'll enjoy the scenic shots. Even if there's not much of a story to this video, I think you'll enjoy what's to come. So stay tuned, sit tight, and I'll try and explain as much as I can and piece this together as best I can for your enjoyment. Well, it's been a lot of fun today, huh? Tell them why it's been so much fun.
Yes, I am.
What did you do? Caught some fish, huh? How many fish did you catch? Three big fish. I'll show you a picture. 3 big fish this kid caught. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, bud. And I caught what? One what?
One fish.
How big was it?
Tiny.
Tiny. That's right. He caught 3 big fish and I caught 1 tiny fish. But we caught fish, so that was a lot of fun. I think we kind of figured out the tricks. So it's beautiful this evening. It finally kind of cleared off, warmed up a little bit, and has been really nice. Got a group over there playing a game of baseball, having a good time out there. Got a couple fires going. There's still some people out fishing on the pond. Just a beautiful area here we're in. Probably gonna go and visit, sit by the fire, just enjoy the evening. I think what I'm gonna try and do is set you up for a night shot over the pond is what I'm hoping. I'm gonna let the light get a little bit darker out here, and then we'll set you up and maybe you can check that out tonight. And then tomorrow, the plan is we're gonna load up and we're gonna head to a hike to go see a waterfall, which I've been to before. It is absolutely beautiful. So we're excited to go check out that waterfall, huh? And then after the waterfall, probably be more fishing, more playing, more having a good time. So far, so good. Been a ton of fun up here on the mountain. Well, if you can't tell by the sound of things, we made it. We're at the falls out here. Beautiful hike into here. Just such a cool area. So I'll show you what we're looking at over here. Pretty amazing. Look at that. Isn't that just spectacular? Just beautiful. I could probably look at that for hours. Pretty amazing. There we are. There's the falls. Pretty cool. Is the water cold? You gonna go get in? Should I go put you in? No! Oh, here we go! Here we go! Here we go! All right, I won't throw them in. It's cold. We had a bet going with the boys that if they could climb in and touch the wall behind the waterfall, they'd get 10 bucks, and I'm pretty sure pretty much every boy did it, so might be breaking the bank on it, but man, that's beautiful. Just amazing. Okay, we're headed out of here. Got Toner loaded up. She carried all of our water and snacks in for us, which is really nice. We're leaving that waterfall behind. Gonna make it? All right, bud. Ready to roll? Got that whole hike out of here. You know how long it was?
I don't know.
It was long, huh?
14
No,
miles.
3 miles.
Well, 14 something.
No. Oh, I see. The sign, yeah. All right, we're rolling. What's that one?
12.
12. Number 12.
12 minutes.
12 more minutes, huh? I think so. I don't think that's probably the truth. There's the bridge. It's so green, pretty, huh? Oh, it's a pretty long hike, huh? Pretty long hike down in there. What number are we at? At 5. Yeah, so we're almost back. Does that feel pretty good, Toner? Huh? Does that feel pretty good? That's a good girl. I know, I can feel it back there. Throwing spear grass at me. How many you got back there?
1.
Ah.
Now 2.
Oh man, throwing spear grass at my back. It's not a target, it's my back. Oop, what number is that? Number 4. Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That means we're close.
Trail.
Double T, do you know how far you hiked today?
3 miles.
6 miles.
6 miles.
In fact, a little bit over 6 miles. That is amazing. Pretty proud. Pretty proud of you.
This train is running